Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about find the function. So now I will show you how to answer. We have this function in here. And we know that f plus gx, that's about f of s plus g of s. So we know that f of s, that's about this one. So if we want to find about g of s, so we put this one go to the right. And we have 6 minus 1 and negative 1 over 2s minus 3s. So 6 minus 1, we have number 5. Negative 1 over 2, negative number 3, we have negative 7 over 2s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.